Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change birthdate in Instagram. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Instagram application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Instagram login ID and password. As I have already get logged into my account, first of all you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom of right corner. At your profile, you need to tap on the three horizontal line on top right corner. Here you tap on settings. Under settings, you can see the option of account. You tap on it. Here you tap on the very first option, that is personal information. At the very last, you can see the date of birth. You tap on it. Now go in for changing your date of birth that you want to. Okay, after you are done changing your date of birth, you need to tap on the tick mark on top right corner. Confirm your date of birth. You tap on confirm. As you can see, the date of birth has been changed. This is how you can change the date of birth in Instagram. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change date of birth in Instagram. Thank you.